Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make orange juice popsicles. Pour 2 cups fresh orange juice into a pitcher and whisk in 2 tablespoons honey until dissolved. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness and taste, then gently fold in small diced strawberries or mint leaves. Pour into molds, leaving 3.5 mm headspace, insert sticks, and freeze for at least 6 hours until solid and ready to enjoy. Gather 2 cups fresh orange juice, 2 tablespoons sweetener, and optional garnishes like berries or zest. Chill the juice in the fridge for 30 minutes to slow melting and to reduce large ice crystals when freezing. While the juice chills, rinse and dice any fruit you plan to add and have your molds on a tray for stability. This simple prep helps the popsicles set evenly and look professional when unmolded. Place filled molds on a flat tray and set in the coldest part of your freezer for 6 to 8 hours until fully solid. If adding fruit, partially freeze for 1 hour before inserting sticks to keep additions suspended. To unmold, briefly run the outside of the mold under warm water for 10 to 15 seconds, then gently pull the popsicle free. Store extras in an airtight bag to prevent freezer burn and flavor transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.